Physical activity for some may be a drag, and for others it may be the answer for acceptance, but for every individual it is different and unique to their own ability and health. But what is health? Does physical activity equal health? Think about that statement for a second. Does this statement mean if you go for a walk to KFC and get a big bucket and eat it on the way home equal health? You're doing exercise, so this means you're healthy, right? Wrong. For years, doctors and psychologists all around the world have tried to create a global definition for health. The only problem is we are all unique. Hi, I'm here today to examine and discuss the statement physical activity equals health. It is scary enough it is commonly believed in Kiwi households. The only problem is that this is only one of the many factors contributing to health. According to the Better Health Commission report, states that basic health requirements are suitable diet, decent shelter, comradeship, and adequate income and healthy environment. I agree totally with this phrase, as the statement physical activity equals health is very narrow and health does not solely rely on this. Within my family, my values of health may be different to others, but from my experience and knowledge, I know that it takes more than physical activity or exercise to be healthy. Consider this for a moment. A high-performing athlete training every day and all he eats is junk food, rotting his insides with fat and sodium-enriched food that destroys his arteries and clogs them up with cholesterol. Would you consider this healthy? Health for someone who is diagnosed with a terminal illness would be if they could get their illness under control and wake up, do daily activities and not have to worry that this could be their last breath. Health is an idea and a concept, not something that can be defined. The idea of health is different within households and communities and even around the world, as common beliefs of health are not usually shared. This is due to the beliefs of different communities and races, but with these beliefs there are values that one may follow. In society today, as a nation, we aim to meet the range of activity and health needs of individuals. With this misunderstanding of government funding campaigns to brainwash us as a nation to think that 30 minutes of exercise a day will make us healthy is mind-blowing. It will improve our health but will not save us from obesity or high cholesterol. Gyms and in the fitness industry tell people and society how important it is to exercise and the benefits of this. They promote the ideal body being buff and tan, but in reality, people can just be as happy, even more happy, being larger than the ideal body shape. They can live a healthy life and be and feel healthy even if they are larger than the ideal body shape. The reasons why managers of the gyms and fitness industry turn a blind eye to this is due to the profit factor and to hook those passionate people for a long time. For example, infomercials are everywhere on TV, and recently they have been buffed models and bikini wearing athletes on revolutionary gym equipment saying that you can lose weight in seconds. But in reality, they only want your money, and the problem with society is the business selling you these products only care about you until you pay for your equipment. This is a multi-million-dollar industry which is misleading, and its financial hunger to make as much profit as possible is the main idea. The customer's experience and the progress, which is most important component, is forgotten about. In New Zealand, we are all exposed to societal influences. Take a moment to think about it. Ads on TV, peers, and family. And think about how many times you are influenced by these factors. Quite a lot, I hope. You're not the only one who is influenced by these, and as a nation we are being exposed to all of the messages that state physical activity equals health. The problem here is they don't put enough money and funding to expose the nation to the Hauora concept. The Hauora concept is a concept of total well-being, not only being physically fit but mentally and socially healthy. The relationship between physical activity and health is proven, but is not the only factor that contributes to your well-being. Society should be entitled to this education, and so that they can understand that there are 3 other dimensions that are equally as important for total well-being. Thank you.